Hello crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Bitget, the crypto platform that's been revolutionizing the way we trade, is turning 5 years old, and they're celebrating in style, and in this video, we'll tell you all about the fantastic promotions they have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Bitget turns 5. That's half a decade of empowering the crypto community with cutting-edge tools and features. To show their gratitude to the crypto community, they've prepared some incredible rewards. Whether you're new to Bitget or a long-time user, there's something for everyone. First things first, mark your calendars. This special promotion is running from September 14th to October 14th, so you have a whole month to take advantage of these fantastic offers. Let's talk about the newbie exclusive promotion. If you're new to Bitget, this is your chance to kickstart your crypto journey with some extra funds. At level 1, for new users who register and complete their first time deposit with at least $50, Bitget is giving away a generous $50 USDT trading bonus. That's right, just deposit $50, and you'll have an extra $50 to trade with. But wait, it gets even better. At level 2, for those who deposit at least $100 as their first time deposit, Bitget is offering a whopping $100 USDT trading bonus. That's double your deposit as a bonus. But that's not all. Bitget wants to reward you for how you deposit your funds. If you use a credit card or bank deposit to transfer funds to Bitget, you can enjoy cashback of up to 50% on your deposit. Yes, you heard it right, up to 50% cashback. Imagine the possibilities. And if you're using Visa or MasterCard, there's an extra treat in store for you, 0 fees on deposits, plus an additional crypto bonus. It's a win-win situation. So, to sum it up, Bitget's 5th anniversary celebration is all about giving back to the community. New users, make sure you take advantage of the newbie exclusive promotion, and everyone else, don't miss out on the incredible cashback offers. Remember, this promotion runs from September 14th to October 14th, so don't wait too long. Visit Bitget, join the celebration, and let's keep the crypto party going. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. Happy trading! If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto news and updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. See you in the next video.